Welcome to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we'll be seeing how you can delete your Stripe account. To delete your Stripe account, the first thing that you want to do is sign into your account. To do that, open any type of browser. Here I'm using Chrome browser. After opening your browser, go to the search bar and then type stripe.com. Then press enter. Now we are on the official website of Stripe. Simply just click on sign in. If you have signed in your account before, it will automatically sign in your account. And now to delete your account, simply click on settings, then click on the first option settings, and then click on business and scroll down until you see close your account option. Now click on this red button, close account. Then a verification code will be required, which is now sent to your email. Simply go to your email. Here you can see Stripe has sent me a verification code. Click on it. My verification code is 743025. And now Stripe will ask you for the confirmation. Then you have to again click on the red button, close account. And there you go. You have now successfully closed your Stripe account. Hope this video helped. If it did, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next.